Hi Micafam, MYRA here. For today's video, as promised, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step paano mag-open ng SEABANK savings account. Di ko expect na super bilis lang mag-create ng account dito. Anyway, kung interested ka, please keep on watching. Guys, sa ating Play Store, installan natin yung SEABANK. And let's open. May dalawang options dito to start our SEABANK journey. Number 1, continue with Shopee. Kung meron kang Shopee account, pwede mo itong itap or pwede tayong mag-sign up with mobile number po. So, I want to continue with Shopee. And then, continue lang tayo. Confirm lang natin yung ating mobile number, guys. Kung tama naman, tap next. And then, enter natin dito yung OTP na isasend via SMS po. And then, mag-create na tayo ng password. Confirm lang natin yung password, guys. And 8 to 6 characters long. Kailangan may letters and numbers. Then, after nyan, guys, kailangan natin ng facial verification. Now, guys, please ensure na yung face natin is fully visible. Wala tayong hair na naka-cover sa mukha, walang glasses, walang face mask, or any accessories po. And kailangan maliwanag din yung environment. So, try na natin. Start facial verification and then allow. Verification in progress. Ayan siya, guys. Sobrang bilis lang. Ngayon, we have to upload our ID naman. Kailangan original ID yung gagamitin natin. Kasi hindi pwede yung expired na ID or mag-expire in 1 month. Hindi po pwede yung scanned or photocopied ID. Hindi po pwede mag-upload ng ID na captured from another device, and hindi po pwede mag-upload ng ID in paper format po. Okay? Kailangan yung original ID po talaga. So, kung ready ka na, tap natin tong continue. Ito yung IDs na tinatanggap ni SEABANK. Guys, we have UMID, driver's license, postal ID, Phil ID. For the others, natanggap din nila passport, SSS ID with date of birth, and PRC ID. I have postal ID, so ito yung gagamitin ko. Ngayon guys, review natin yung details and ensure natin na lahat ng information is stated as per your ID. And lagay natin additional details like city of birth, occupation, company industry, yung source of funds, kailangan natin yan. And then terms of service, tap lang natin itong I have read and then next. Then mag-secure tayo ng PIN, guys. So that's 6-digit PIN po. Confirm natin yung PIN. Ayun guys, you've successfully submitted your application. We'll inform you within 1 working day on the status of your account. We can only make transfers once verified, guys. Kung meron tayong questions, then call natin yung kanilang customer service hotline po. So, tap natin tong okay. And ito na yung itsura, guys. So, as you can see, yung application natin is under review by SEABANK. So, since under review pa yung ating account, wala pa tayong magagawa sa account natin. Alright? Hi guys, I'm back for an update. Kanina, under review pa yung ating account. Pero alam nyo ba, after ko na-create ng account, few minutes after lang, naka-receive na ako ng SMS saying na, welcome to SEABANK. Log in now to start saving for your future. So, it's as good as saying approved na yung ating application, guys. Ibig sabihin, pwede na nating malagyan ng funds yung ating SEABANK account. Pwede na tayong makapag-transfer to bank or e-wallets. And of course, pwede na tayong makapag-earn ng 6% interest rate per annum up until September 30, 2022. Ako sa inyo, grab nyo na, mag-create na kayo ng account and start saving with SEABANK. Not sponsored, guys, ha? But anyway, next video, abangan nyo guys ha, kasi ituturo sa inyo paano pag-cash in and mag-cash out ng funds sa ating SEABANK. Totoo bang free of charge yung cash in and cash out dito? Alamin natin yan. Anyway guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now. Now please position your original ID within the frame below. Oh, saan kaya yung ano ko? Ayan.